Drink guava leaves tea daily and see what will happen. Many of us are aware of the benefits of guava fruit, but we may not be aware of the fact that even its leaves have several medicinal properties and therefore offer many benefits to health. Therefore, fresh guava leaves contain antioxidants, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties and helpful tannins, and are considered a natural pain reliever. Chemicals such as carotenoids, polyphenols, flavonoids and tannins in guava leaves can be very effective in treating various diseases. Because of the side effects of medicines and drugs, herbal plants are increasingly being used for treating various diseases, and one of them is the guava leaf. Guava leaf supplements nowadays are available in capsules and guava leaf tea format. Look at the incredible health benefits of leaves with guava. 1. Reduces cholesterol. If you drink guava leaf tea for 3 months, then it can lead to a reduction in LDL, bad cholesterol and triglycerides without any bad effect on the good cholesterol, according to research. The guava leaves are also a great hepatic tonic. 2. Helps to lose weight. Guava leaves help in weight loss by preventing the transformation of the complex starches into sugars. For this purpose, the carbs in the liver for use by body and guava leaves should be broken down to prevent the transition of carbohydrates to usable compounds. 3. Diarrhea and dysentery treatments. Guava leaves are herbal dysentery and diarrhea medicine. To treat diarrhea, boil 30 grams of guava leaves in 1 glass of water with a handful of rice flour, and drink twice a day of this solution. For dysentery, simply cut the guava plant roots and leaves and boil them at a temperature of 90 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Squeeze water and drink moderately. 4. Great for diabetes. According to research carried out by the Yakult Central Institute, Japan, tea made from guava leaf can effectively lower blood glucose in diabetics by decreasing the activity of the enzyme alpha-glucosidase. Moreover, it prevents the body from absorbing sucrose and maltose, thereby lowering blood sugar levels. If you drink 10 to 12 weeks of guava leaf tea, then the blood sugar levels will be lowered without increasing insulin production. 5. Aids in digestion. Guava leaf tea helps in digestion by stimulating digestive enzyme production. The powerful antibacterial agents kill bacteria in the gut lining and stop bacteria from proliferating toxic enzymes. Guava leaves are predominantly useful for food poisoning, soothing, vomiting and nausea. Just boil 6 to 7 pieces of guava leaves in 1.5 liters of water and drink twice or 3 times a day to ease the stomach pain. 6. Aid to dengue fever. Guava leaves are of great help curing dengue fever. Guava leaf extract may increase the number of platelets in the blood, and is not toxic at all. Boil 8 to 9 pieces of guava in 5 cups of water until it becomes half as much. Then strain and refrigerate. Give a cup of this concoction thrice a day to dengue patients. 7. Treats acne and black spots. Guava leaves are very useful for people with acne problems and black spots. It effectively removes black spots and acne from the skin. Guava leaves contain an antiseptic that kills bacteria provoking acne. All you need to do is mash or grind and apply some guava leaves on your acne and dark spots. Do this during a couple of days. 8. Anti-aging benefits. Guava leaves have antioxidants which destroy free radicals, usually damaging to the skin. It thus protects your skin against aging and also improves skin tone and texture. For tightening it, a decoction of grown-up guava leaves can be applied to the skin. 9. Guava leaves for hair. Guava leaves are highly nutrient-rich, as well as antioxidants, thus helping to promote healthy hair growth. If you apply guava leaves to your hair, it will make them soft and lustrous, and increase their volume as well. 10. Sperm production. Consumption of guava leaf tea has been shown to be helpful in increasing production of sperm, thus helping with conception. Thanks for watching this video. To get more useful health-related videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.